What's going on, everybody? It's Marsellis here, back with another video, and today we're going to talk about how to invest in stocks for beginners. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the description and click that link. And when you download Robinhood, Robinhood is actually the easiest stock platform to start with. So it's definitely in your best interest to download Robinhood before you try anything else, because it's the easiest thing for beginners. So once you download that, you'll see this, and once you go into the Robinhood app, you'll see this. So right here, this is your portfolio. My portfolio right now is currently valued at $9,543. So 3,700 of that is inside of stocks and options, 54 of that is inside of crypto, and 5,700 is just inside plain cash. So you can also have instant deposits. So what Robinhood does is, if you deposit $10,000, you have $1,000 instantly to use, and then that other 9,000 has to clear in about, I think it's like 5 business days. It'll take about 5 business days for it to clear or something like that. And yeah, you also have your reoccurring investments. So Robinhood will invest for you over time if you want it to do that. And you can also enable the same with your dividends, to have it reinvested back into your stocks. And this is called DRIP. It is a dividend reinvestment. So you can also do options. I also trade options, but options are more risky, and we'll get onto that later, but that's more difficult. But right now, since we're beginners, we're gonna start with just stocks. And down here, you can do 3-day trades per week, which is 5 trading days, 3-day trades. And after that fourth, you will be flagged as a pattern day trader unless you have $25,000 in your account. So if you have $25,000 in your account, you can day trade unlimitedly. But since I don't have that yet, I cannot day trade unlimitedly, but I will be able to do that soon, because I will be there soon. But yeah, let's get on with the video. So here is your transfers. So when you want to deposit money, you would just go here and you would do transfer to Robinhood, and then you would put in your bank account information. I already have my bank account information in there, and I already have money in here. So if I wanted to withdraw my money, I can do that. And you would just click transfer to bank and then withdraw your money. So now that we got that out of the way, just click back, and then now you have your statements, you have your history, everything that you've done. As you can see, I make a lot of trades in Robinhood. I do a lot of swing trading, day trading. I do everything, and yeah, just chasing that bag. So yeah, you go over here, transfers. You see all the transfers I've made. I've made a lot of transfers into here. Transferred thousands of dollars. My latest one was a $10,000 transfer from TD Ameritrade, because I had actually taken out a $5,000 loan. I took $700 from that loan, and then I put it into a stock on TD Ameritrade, and it turned to $20,000, and then I lost $10,000 and I sold it, and then I put the rest of the money in here. So that's how I got the $10,000. I got it off a $700 investment. And yeah, let's go over here. You see all my orders. I've been really doing a lot of Doge and a lot of crypto, and I've been doing a lot of day trading and swing trading. But right now, you can also see my dividends that I've made before in the past. I haven't made much on dividends. I don't really do much dividends, but I've just received a few. I don't really have much for dividends, but it's good if you're, you have a good amount of money to invest. But other than that, you won't make much off of dividends. Let's say if you had $1 million to invest, that'd probably be about $1,500 a month. But it's good for like retirement and people like that. So yeah, over here we have the initial investing screen for Robinhood. So as you can see, I'm down for the day. As for the live count, you can see I'm still down, but ultimately I will be up once these calls are up. And these are options, and we'll talk about options in another video, but long story short, you can buy a call option, which is betting that the stock will go up, or you can buy a put option, which is betting that the stock will go down, and vice versa if you sell either one. But yeah, we're not going to really go over that too much, because I'm waiting for these to go up, and the expiration date for these, July 16th on this one and June 18th on this one. And by those dates, if this one is above my strike price and my call is a $60 call, if it's above that, I will ultimately be up. And I will be up because right now United Airlines is at 58.61. So all I have to do is get back up to 60 in order for me to be up on this trade. And this is a recovery stock. So we're definitely gonna see some positive trades. The airlines have been bailed out multiple times. They're gonna continue to go up. So it's definitely gonna be above $60, but I would say below 100 by the time that comes around, which is June 18th. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is with options and calls. But today we're just gonna be talking about stocks. So if we go over here, we see I have one stock. I have IDEX, and this stock right here, it's just something that I'm watching. What I'll do is I'll put $1 into a stock just so I keep my eyes on that and see what that $1 did. If it dropped 70 to 70 cents and I just lost 30%, and I thought I would put a full $9,000 in there, I probably would have lost $3,000. So it's good to watch things and ease into your positions. So you don't want to just go and buy a bunch of a stock. You want to start small and you want to go up over time. So let's go over here to let's find a good stock, one that everyone should know about. So let's scroll down. We have Airbnb, we have Square, which is I think that is Cash App, and then we have Carnival Cruise Line, which is one that I have options on. But let's find a stock that we can go buy. All right, so let's go over here and buy DoorDash. Now let's go ahead and just put $1 into DoorDash. Now, as you can see, they give you the option to invest over time if you want, but I don't do that. I like to do things myself. So I just put this $1 into DoorDash, and I did a market order. Now, you don't have to do a market order. If you're buying a larger quantity of something, you don't want to do a market order. If you're buying a larger quantity of something, you want to go over here to buy, and then where it says dollars, you want to click this right up here, and then you want to go over to limit order. Now, you want to do this so then you don't buy where the market is currently at. You want to buy exactly where you want it at, because the market fluctuates. As you see, it just went from 128.07 up to 128.09, and if you have a large amount of money, that change in a few cents, it really makes a difference. So if you wanted to do that, you would click that, and market hours or extended hours, the stock market is only open for market hours 9:30 to 4 p.m. Extended hours, yeah, very volatile hours. Yeah, so right here you will see 4 p.m. We'll click that and we'll buy one share if we wanted to do it like that, but we already bought $1 of it. Now we could buy one full share. In Robinhood, you can actually do partial shares, and that's what I just did. I only bought $1, so you don't have to buy a full share. But if you did want to buy a full share, you would click buy in shares, and it's just simple like that. And you would click review, slide up if you wanted to get that, and then you would do the same if you wanted to sell it. You would either sell it at the market price like you just did, or sell here, sell at dollars and sell all. Or you could go here and set your limit. If you have a lot, you want to set your limit. If you want your limit to be at 128, you would just do that, and then boom. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. And you would do that for anything that you needed here. And Robinhood has a good category section. Like it has everything. Like you can go and type inside of your state. If you live in the United States and you live in Florida like I do, you would just type in Florida and you can see all the Florida stocks out there. So you can invest in things that you know, and they make this easy for you. So yeah, Robinhood is definitely a very good tool to use. And they also have crypto. Crypto is very good to invest in right now. But yeah, Robinhood, they don't have too many cryptos. They only have 7, but they have the main ones. They have Bitcoin, which is the largest crypto. And they have Ethereum, which is the second largest crypto. And then they have Doge, which is one of the smallest ones. And Doge is actually one of my favorite cryptos, and it's definitely gonna go up soon. So definitely watch out for that too. And it's pretty easy to use Robinhood. They also have news outlets here, so you can see a bunch of news articles. They tell you what's up the most. This is up 147%. So yeah, you put in $100, that would have been $247. But yeah, Robinhood is definitely a very good tool to use. And right here we have all of the top movers for the day. We have our categories over here, and you can also do the day trades like I was saying, but day trading is more difficult. If you come over here to where I just bought this dollar, This is up 0.01%. Now what a day trader would do is, if I put in, let's say I had $1,000, right, and I put it in right there and I day traded that, I could potentially make way more than I could if I just held it for a long time. If I kept doing that, when the market goes up, I sell it. When it goes down, I buy again. When it goes up, I sell. When it goes down, I buy. It goes up, sell, down, buy more here, and it will go up again. And that's really what day traders do. And it's a very difficult thing to watch, but you can make a lot of money off of it. And that's how I got up here into this position. So day trading is something that you want to do if you're very skilled at it, but I would just recommend you either hold for a long time and do long-term investing, or if you become more skilled, you can do swing trading. But overall, Robinhood is the easiest app to use for investing. So if you like this video, hit that like button, and thank you for everything. And yeah, have a good day.